Pero ngayon, baon ko ang aking mahiwagang salamin. Hindi na siya mahiwaga dahil physical na ang aking mahiwagang salamin. Oh, talagang nanalamin si Joanna. Kung halimbawa kayo magsusumbong, of course, this is inspired by Salamin-Salamin. Sabi ko, nung narinig ko yung kanta, may mahiwagang salamin din naman ako. Okay. Kung may isusumbong kayo sa salamin, Stacy, ito na idiretsahan na ito. May mga... Noon, lalo na nung nag-uumpisa kayo, may mga nagsasabing hindi kayo sisikat. Sa kanilang lahat noon na nagduda sa kakayahan ninyong sumikat, ano ang nais mong sabihin?
Sa mga nagsabi na hindi kami sisikat, thank you so much for inspiring us. Kasi sila talaga yung nag-push sa amin. Sila yung nag-inspire para mag-work harder kami. And ayun, parang at the end of the day, meron pa rin yung parang affected kami. Pero hindi kami magpapatalo. Kasi mga dummy account lang mga yan na nagtatago. So, dead ma.
Pero alam niyo, kahit, you're right, kahit ano pang sabihin na, huwag mong pansinin, ano lang yan, pero pag nababasa mo, masakit.
Opo, may ganun.
Tao ka lang eh, di ba? Kaya minsan, I tell young girls, boys, kung hindi mo kaya, don't. Di ba? I mean, talk to a parent, talk to a brother who cares, talk to somebody who criticizes, pero alam mo kung saan ang pinanggagalingan. Thank you for saying that. Colette, ikaw naman. Sa mga nagsasabing feeling K-pop kayo, anong gusto nyo? Anong gusto mong sabihin?
Siyempre po nakakasad kasi meron naman po tayong sariling atin. But at the same time, parang hindi po siya masama. Kasi lahat naman po tayo, I'm sure hindi lang po ang Bini, na-influence sa K-pop. And naka-influence sa isa't isa, yung ibang grupo din po. So, I mean, okay lang po siya.
At saka meron at meron talagang masasabi.
Yes.
Di ba? Okay, Gwen. Sa mga critics na nagsasabing, di naman kayo magaling. Can you imagine, Bini? Sabi ko nga, uulitin ko to. You are the hottest girl group in the country today, if not one of in Asia. Not just Southeast Asia, but in Asia. Nasasabihan pa rin kayo, di naman kayo magaling. What do you wanna say?
Sa mga nagsasabi po na hindi kami magaling, we respect your opinion, but if you can make constructive criticisms na lang po, rather than generic statements, para mas matulungan po kami mag-improve. Mas okay po yun.
That's very good. Pero basically, bashing, how do you handle bashing? Knowing na marami sa kanila walang, fake accounts, knowing what you know about bashers. What do you want to say?
Ako po, personally, pinipili ko lang yung mga ipapasok ko sa utak ko para for my peace na rin po. Ayun, pag sobrang negative, parang hindi mo naman na kailangan
Binablock mo?
i-entertain. Opo.
Okay. Joanna, sa mga nagsasabing, ang Bini naman nagli-lip sync. What do you want to say?
Kantahan mo, Jo.
Sampa naman dyan.
Palagi,
Jo.
palagi.
Meron yan,
po.
dadating yun.
Palagi po talagang may ganyang comments po. Kahit nagkanda, piyok-piyok ka na, lip-sync pa rin. Diyos ko. Opo, pero, well, hindi naman po namin mapiplease lahat. And kaming Bini, hindi naman po kami nag-training for 2 straight years para mag-lip-sync once na ma-debut kami. Hindi kami nakakauwi po eh. Lahat ng sacrifices po ginawa namin. Para lang hindi, syempre, we always deliver live, not just a performance, but also an experience. Kasi ginagastusan po kami ng ibang tao and ayaw naman namin po magbigay ng half-baked na performance po. So lahat po na nakikita nyo is pinaghirapan po namin yan and live po lahat ng yan.
Thank you. But that's part of the game, hindi ba? Pero napakahirap din maging defensive all the time. Yung parang, sabi mo nga, 2 years kaming naghirap.
Yes.
Di ba? Sheena, ito naman, naririnig natin ito. Madalas, hindi lamang sa inyo, pero sa lahat ng mga nag-aartista, hindi naman sila magaganda eh.
Sinong nagcharing? Ano? No, well, beauty is subjective and feeling namin, if we don't fit into their standards, then it's fine. Pero naman sa mga taong nagaganda naman sa amin but still chooses to bash us, then it's also fine, you know. It's not something na nakaka-affect sa amin kasi everyday we're surrounded by people who always reminds us
Tama.
that we are beautiful.
And never allow anybody to define your beauty.
Yes, they're just dummy accounts like what you always say po.
Tama.
Ang nagmamatter kung ano sinasabi nila.
Tama. Okay. Aya, if you were to talk to your fans that, quote, invade your privacy and personal space, ano usually ang sinasabi ninyo?
Pero kasi yung mga fans po namin, Blooms po, very respectful po naman.
Ako, I'm that kind of fan. Ha? I'll be very honest.
Thank you po.
I am a rabid, Nurania. Nung kapanahunan namin, nakikialam talaga ako. I don't know why. But hindi naman yung sobra-sobra. Pero kung makakapasok ako ng bahay, papasok ako. Hindi totoo yun. Kung naalala ko yung bahay nila Tirso Cruz III, nila Pipo, inakyat namin yung pader para lang masilayan namin si Tirso Cruz III. He knows this story. Yung totoo yun. So, what do you say? I don't know how it is now, pero yung sa palagay ninyo crosses that boundary.
Like, what are some instances po na nagko-cross ng
Yung mga
boundary?
ganun.
Or what
Halimbawa,
I can say?
you wake up and somebody's in your living room
Ay,
and...
ayun po, na-experience po ni na-experience po
Talaga?
ni Colette na yung tulog pa siya, tapos nagising
Okay,
siya.
before I
kaya-
go to Colette, how would you, what do you want to say?
So, ano po, we get that they are very excited and you can't blame them kasi if example ako po makita ko si Taylor Swift parang gusto ko din ganun. Pero sometimes kulang lang din sila ng awareness na okay, we're crossing the line na pag they wanna go to the restroom, okay, let them first because they're human beings and they deserve to have that time. And
Right.
then I'm not just saying this kasi they always see us in front of the cameras and ang daming natitrigger po ng word na privacy versus public figure. Pero kasi parang it doesn't go hand in hand. Pero I think everyone, no matter who you are entitled to have your own privacy. And kahit yung konting privacy na yun, it can also be a way for you to recuperate your energy para, you just have that little me time of yours para you get to be whole.
Agree ako doon. Whatever you can keep to yourself is yours. Kasi parati bilang isang guro, sinasabi ko sa aking mga klase, the moment you decide to be public, you're public. Dahil this is a very public job. Pero meron tayong kakayanan na i-keep, that little space that belongs to you. But the moment you are seen by a public, para sa akin po ang opinion ko, you do not define what is public and what is private. Pag nakita kang nagsisimba, that is a private exercise of faith. But pag nakita ka sa simbahan, I am your fan. Diba? At saka it's also a sense of power, I think. Kasi in 2019, I did an interview with Angelina Jolie in Japan. Okay? Sasabihin sa amin, bawal kumausap, bawal lumapit, bawal itong tanong na ito. Alam mo yung mas gusto mong gawin? Oo. and see how she reacts. It's I think wanting to know because I somehow know you. I own you because I'm a fan. Sinuportahan kita. Yung ganon. So you're right that that debate is very difficult. What did you do nung one day gumising ka may
Kasi po, pag alam po nila na nasa bahay po kami, break po namin, may mga tao po talaga, like, madaling araw pa lang nasa labas na po ng bahay namin. Lalo na po ako, nasa labas na po ng bahay hanggang 11 p.m. po. Sobrang daming tao sa bahay namin. One time po, natutulog po ako sa kwarto. May umakit po na ba? Pero bata naman po siya, okay lang. May umakit po na bata and then magpa-picture. Tapos sabi ko, nagigising
sa
ko
loob
lang.
ng kwarto? Oh my God. Oo.
Yung mga bagay po na yun, parang invade.
I would agree. I would. At saka nakakatakot din.
Opo.
Oo, totoo ba ito? Ano ba? Am I safe?
Hindi man lang
Diba?
po ako nakapagtanggal ng mukha.
Oh, but again, that's territorial. Part of being who you are, ika nga. Mika, sa mga nagsasabing, ay, ang Bini, sikat na, mayabang na at snob, ano ang gusto mong sabihin?
Whoa, I like that question. I'd like to say na, naku po, hindi po kami mayabang at all. Ayun nga po, like what Joanna said kanina pa, we never really thought of ourselves as up there. Kahit hanggang ngayon, ayaw po namin isipin yun. Kasi feeling ko, we always remind each other na to stay grounded, remember where we came from, yung mga roots namin, the people who helped us, be where we are right now.
Tama.
And sa mga nasasabing snob kami, hindi naman, hindi lang namin mangitian lahat, hindi namin matingnan lahat sa mata, or like, mag-hi sa lahat. And syempre, if nasa labas kami under like incognito mode, syempre we want to like be private. Like, yung parang, syempre sometimes we won't
make like show na it's Beanie Mika nga or like ganon. Kasi syempre baka it will cause a commotion pa in the mall or something like that.
It's tough.
Yeah.
It's tough to be Bini. It's tough to be who you are. It's tough to be public. But the more you talk about it, the more na naiintindihan ng inyong mga tagahanga. Di ba? But we have to say it. You have to say it para ma-deliver mo yung message. Maloy, ang dami nagpapakalat ng mga fake news. Di ba? And when you're on top of your game, pag hitik ika ka sa bunga ang kahoy, maraming pumupukol. At minsan, hindi totoong bato ang ipinupukol. How do you address fake news?
Well, for me kasi, parang hindi na siya mawawala as public figure. Parang may mga tao talaga na gagawa ng fake news about you. And feeling ko it just show na you are relevant. Ganon. Like parang you just go with your life, just do what you do, just do what you love. As long as wala kang natatapakang tao, yung fake news nandyan na yan eh. So, parang masasabi ko lang, stop spreading fake news this 2025. Stop it. Like parang, well, yun lang masasabi ko. Parang wala na tayong control about it. Parang we just go with the flow, just go with your life. And masaya kami sa ginagawa namin. And yung may mga taong, yung mga klaseng ganong tao, hindi na namin sila mapipigilan. Kung gusto nilang magpakalat ng fake news, then go with it. Wala na kami magagawa. Beanie is Beanie.
What was the last fake news that was said, written about you?
Siguro po yung recently that Rico Blanco and I are dating.
Oh, but that's for later. You wanna address it now? Talaga? Ako naman. You wanna address it now?
Yes, actually, nung time na po yun, dun lang yung first meet-up namin ni Rico Blanco. And yung friends ko is friends din niya. So, hindi ko alam paano nangyari yun. Siguro may videos yung Blooms na in-upload sa X. And then, na-crop siya. Screenshot na parang bad angle. So, it just shows na parang like holding hands, ganyan. In-upload sa Facebook, kumalat hanggang sa nagkaroon na ng mga headlines. And may isang article na na parang yung headline is hindi tama. Clickbait yung headline.
Hindi tama.
Hindi tama. And siguro yung body naman ng article is tama, pero yung headline is hindi. And as tao, as Pinoy na parang kung ano yung mabasa mo, yun ang paniniwalaan mo. And hindi lahat ng tao nagbabasa ng body ng article. So, yun ay napaniwalaan nila, yun na yung nasa isip nila. So, nung nakita ko yun, nag-tweet po agad ako na stop spreading fake news. Kasi ayoko na lumaki pa yung gulo and gusto ko na linawin agad.
At saka sinabi mo sa tweet mo na Rico is a friend of my friends. Did you explain it? Did you explain? Wala na. Stop spreading fake news. Because your question is, bakit ganun? Ba't nangyari yon? Because you are Maloy. That's a simple answer to that. Pero hindi natin naiintindihan yun. Parang, bakit? You know, I got sick in 2011. I'm not as popular as you are. 2012, I think. The only time I was hospitalized. Nababasa ko sa sarili ko. I was resting, coming out of the hospital. Meron ng eulogy. Patay na ako. Yeah. You know, and same question, bakit, who would spend a lot of time to create fake news like this? Ikaw buhay, binabasa mo patay ka. And the answer to that is because I'm public. I'm public. I just have to stand on my truth, embrace my truth. Napakahirap. But that's part of being public. Di ba? Ang advantage naman is because you're 8. Di ba? I mean, talk to each other, embrace each other. I mean, magsumbungan kayo. It's good to vent, to rant minsan in front of your friends. And then after that, okay na ako. Di ba? So there is no truth about Rico and Maloy. Importante yan. Kasi nabasa namin yan, tama ka. Okay, let's go to any other thing that you want to say to your fans, to the Filipino public, lalo na ang sambayanan na talagang todo ang suporta sa inyo ngayon. Joanna.
Siyempre gusto po namin mag-thank you, especially to our Blooms.
Yeah.
Na grabe naman po talaga sumuporta. Kahit saan kami magpunta, regionals, internationally, may mga lumilipad, gumagastos, kahit alam namin na estudyante, most of them. nag-iipon, ginagastusan po talaga kami. And yun, gusto lang po namin mag-thank you sa inyo. And hopefully, mas maging stronger tayo this 2025.
At saka you can imagine, how you honor that love ng inyong followers, ng Blooms. Di ba that love na ang sarap-sarap pakinggan. Abangan niyo po sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Bini will be there to sing for you.